Hello everybody, my name is AC Headcoat, and today I'm going to be showing you how to get the CN Freeport sub ATCS monitor. This subdivision runs from Freeport, Illinois, the Freeport yard, to Chicago, Illinois. So, what you need to do is you need to go type in atcsmonitor.com and it should bring you to this page or the Yahoo Group. But if you come to this page, you need to press ATCS Monitor Yahoo Group Join Today. You need to press that button. And if you don't have a Yahoo account, you need to make one in order to get this. Once you've made your account, or if you have an account, you need to press, there should be a button around here somewhere that says Join Group. Press that button. There should be a couple questions you need to answer. Then take those questions, put it into the email, and then send it to this. I don't remember how, but just then send it. So once you got that and they accepted you into the group, you want to go into the files and come down to the application. Once you're in the application files, you need to go down and scroll down almost to the bottom. It's a third from the bottom. It says ATCS Monitor 410X. You want to click that and install that, and then go into your downloads or wherever it is, install it. It should not take hard. And once that's fully installed, it'll pop up with the monitor with the, I forgot what it was. But once you've done that, you need to go into your files again and go to the data files. You want to go down to the CN system, and you want to come down to the CN Chicago division. All these, the Freeport's right there, so you want to click that, and you want to click the CN Freeport sub.zip, and click that. You go down to your download file, and then when that's there, you need to bring it. You need to get your downloads file, and then you need this. It's under local C disk program files and ATCS monitor, and I put it into a big folder so I have everything where I need them. I think this is already here, so I just put it into downloads and find it. And these Microsoft databases are going to be important. Basically the four things you need is this lay file, the Microsoft Access database files, but everything else except the lay and the database files don't care. So I'm going to highlight the ones that you need so make it more easier. Those four things are what you need. Everything else except the text documents, you might need these too. So everything above this, the KMZ files and the settings, don't really matter. So as we start off, I'm going to switch this back. See, there's a train coming. So what you need to do is you need to go into your configure settings and go to options. This is where it's going to get a little bit difficult or confusing, is wherever everybody gets lost at. You want to go to your general, you want to minimize the system tray icon, save settings on exit, begin capturing on setup, all checked. Everything else should be unchecked on this part. Next, plot points need to be 200, check automatically update plot height, and whatever the heck is on my screen. Press apply. You want to press apply every time you're done with the window so it doesn't go weird and then it's broken. Max message is 1000, binary unchecked, hexadecimal, and the one underneath it. These two should be checked, the binary should not. You can change the colors if you want. I keep them the same. Messages 30. I don't know what that does. You want the datagram user data pointed right there, and then press apply. Next is data source. We'll get to that in a minute. Display. You could go, if you put it in the right file, you want to press browse, and then find where in your layouts, if you put it in your layouts with the layout file, the CN Freeport 14_1220.lay, click that, put it in here, and if you press apply, there should be a ginormous error on your screen that says everything is broken and these stations need to be found. The reason being is you do not have your data source or your MCP put in just yet, but we need to do this first. Signals blink. I think everything on the screen should be the way it is on your screen. If you need to pause, go ahead and click apply. Protocol, what it's normally set at is ATCS, but for this line with this ABS territory, you want to put it to ATCS Genesis and it'll work. So you want to press Genesis, press apply, and then this doesn't really matter to us. Click apply and OK. What you need to do now is you need to go down into the configure, into the MCP information. Yes, there's a lot of stuff. I have a lot of monitors. You want to go down to the import and you want to find the CN ones that you have. I believe it's the 14, I think it's these three. Yeah, it is. So it's a CN103, BPC, MCP, and Iowa are the ones you want. Press the open, let them do its thing. I'm going to do this again just to make sure everything works. So, did I give it its time? Once that's done, just click close and then it almost should be working. I think I might be missing something. Oh, yes. You want to go back into your settings and go to your data source. This is where you need to pay attention because this line has a broken one. I'm going to be showing you something. So, what you want to do is you want to go, well, if you come from your files, you want to go down to here, into more, and it's database. And you want to scroll down to ATCS servers. And in here, just type in Freeport. This does not work. This right here. This ATCS Midwest.gotdns.com with the code of 4872 does not work. If you put that into the data source, it will not work. Go ahead, you can try it, it doesn't work. What does work, you go into your text document, and it's not in that one, it's in the other one. It's the README. You want to go to the README. The server is atcsmidwest.gotdns.com. Port 4882 is the one. So what you want to do is you can highlight this, copy, go over to here, press add, and right here, paste it here, and then take the port number 4882. Note you don't need to worry about, enable it, and click OK. Since I already have this, I do not need this, because I already have this up and running. It'll be down here. If you're having this line, it should be the fourth one actually, so it should be under the MCP and the BPC one, so it should be about here. But since I have other stuff, it's the last one. Then you click apply and OK, and it should just start freaking out, putting data in. Should have already started doing that. Then I'm going to close this. When you have that, go to your actions and hit the restart dispatcher display. This should pop up. eSteward does not work. It's in the automatic block territory. It's not on the code line. It's not that. It doesn't work. So you can just click OK, and I think there's a setting to turn that off. So now if you go into the dispatcher display under view, it should look something like this. ABS territory right here and here. This up here. West Junction, East Junction, West and East Sewer doesn't work. West Rockford through Buckbee works. Colvin Park, Burlington, obviously. ABS with track authority. East J works because it's the junction, and down here should work too by Ash Street. So I hope this has worked. I tried to do it the best I could of my explaining. If you need any advice on reading, there should be on the website some sort of book thing. You just type in how to use ATCS monitor. This is obviously how to get the Freeport sub. I did put another video up how to get the NS Chicago sub for you Railstream watchers. Might want to go check that out. So thanks for watching, and I'll see you next time.